Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are going to explain about our engineering problem by using naive Gauss elimination.
Introduce myself. My name is Aina Shazwin binti Muhammad Syukur.
My name is Sita Aisyah binti Zul Alam.
Numerical is the method involves solutions to a huge system of algebra, quadratic and complex equations which are difficult to be solved using analytical method. By the use of numerical methods, some problem can be solved. Since there are many modern software has provided to overcome these difficulties such as Scilab and MATLAB, thus presence of numerical method can solve this problem well. It is corresponding to Al-Quran. Allah said every hardship will be eased. Indeed, with hardship will be eased, and He mentioned twice about it in Surah Al-Inshirah 5-6. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. فَإِنَّمَا الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا إِنَّمَا الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. This is the problem we found in industrial process. It is the flow rate of water tank. In order to solve the problem, we focus on solving linear algebra applications that related by using naive Gauss elimination method because we want to find 3 different variables for the flow rate of water in different sections which are x, y and z. Generally, the method overall reduce of linear simultaneous equation to an upper triangular matrix is known as forward elimination. Then backward substitution is used to derive the unknowns. This is a key concept in writing an algorithm and program for naive Gauss elimination.
For the algorithm, this is the pseudocode that we use in Scilab program. First, we start the program. Next, we insert augmented matrix into the program. Then, we apply Gauss elimination method in the program by forward elimination using for statement. After that, we use back substitution in the program by using for statement to make a loop to find the unknown values. Later, the program will display x, y, z values. Lastly, the program will terminate or stop.
The CLC command is to clear the console. Then we define U equal to 10. In this program, I is row and J is column. Then the display command is to display the input. Therefore, it will display the values in augmented matrix form A. Next, we use for command as a loop to allow code to be executed repeatedly. Thus, we can create forward elimination from this for loop command. Forward elimination is the equations were manipulated to eliminate one of unknowns from the equations. The result will be one equation with one unknown. Then, if statement because it allows the flow of the program to be changed. We set I by using double equal to compare two variable value whether they are equal or not. If statement is used when the program is true, then the program will terminate it. But if the statement is false, we use else if statement to continue the loop. The forward elimination will create upper triangular matrix V. Next, we compute the variable x3 by divide matrix B, which is from row 3, column 4, with matrix B, row 3, column 3. Then we will get the value of x3. To find the value x2 and x1, we need to use the for loop to execute it repeatedly. Thus, it is called as back substitution. And for the program to stop.
To use the program into the matrix and we will get the values immediately.
Based on the Scilab and hand analysis, we use the same method which is naive Gauss eliminations. Then, we also use the same step to get the values which is forward elimination and back substitution. Next, we test the program that we code in Scilab to solve the engineering problem that we choose, which is about the water flows through the tanks. It is proven working because we excel to get value for x, y and z.
While the hand analysis, we did not use the coding. Nevertheless, we managed to get the same answer for the Scilab analysis and the hand calculation. However, in our opinion, Scilab is more easier, accurate and faster to obtain the result rather than hand analysis because in hand analysis we tend to make mistakes during the calculation. In conclusion, we can solve our engineering problem which is about water tank by Scilab using naive Gauss elimination method. Based on the Scilab application solution and hand analysis, we got the same answer. However, using Scilab is more easier and faster because it can solve a lot of engineering problems that use Gauss elimination method with the same program. This is corresponding with Surah Al-Baqarah ayat 286, La yukallifu Allahu nafsan illa wus'aha. This means Allah will not test us with something we cannot bear with. Instead, there will be a solution for every problem that we solve in our life.